Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift na energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar. Sa reading natin, let's see. Okay, so may long distance situation with the Two of Wands energy dito. So this person is looking at you from a distance. Maring worlds apart, pwedeng locally lang, ayan. Magkaiba kayo ng lugar. And we also have here the Karma, Judgment card, Ten of Pentacles, Page of Cups, Seven of Cups, the High Priestess, Queen of Pentacles, and the Tower. Bottom card, Knight of Wands. So, itong taong to, hindi pa siya sigurado. Nag-explore pa din ito ng mga options niya. Pero, interesado siya sa'yo. Marami nangyari ng tower moment dito or ghosting or hindi ka na niya kinausap kasi still this person is exploring some options. Maring for some of you, inignore na kayo nitong taong to. Pero para nagdadalawang isip siya or nagbago yung isip niya na gusto niya ulit ilagay ka sa mga options na to. Parang hindi pa siya totally nakaka-get over or hindi pa siya totally sigurado kung eliminated ka na ba or hindi. Kasi parang gusto niyang balikan ka, parang may nakaligtaan siya na tignan or natin, may kipag-usap pa to. Remember Who You Are by Archangel Michael. You are a powerful, loving, and creative child of God. You are very loved. So, nagdadalawang isip siya. Tingnan natin. Sunglasses. So, this person is stalking you. Ayaw niya lang ipaalam. Pero hindi na kayo nag-uusap nito eh. Dami. Nakamasage siya sa'yo na hindi mo alam. Parang pinagmamasdan kita nang hindi mo alam. Ayan, shovel. So, this person is digging the past. So, nabalikan niya yung mga nangyari noon. Money, hourglass, ground, and rain. Reminiscing. Ayan. And diamond. So, maring ngayon lang niya nakita yung worth mo nung kung kailan binitawan ka niya. Kuha tayo ng dito, messages. I know that I crossed the line with you. I hid who I really am from you. Finding out the truth crushed me. You were the best thing in my life. So, after nga nitong realization na to, na kasi nung hindi ka niya pinili, nung ineliminate ka niya sa options, gumuho lahat eh. So, parang ang laki nang nawala. Parang lahat na naging options niya, hindi maihahalin tulad sa'yo. Malaking wrong move para sa kanya. The timing just wasn't right for us. You came closer than anyone. I hide behind material things and it's time for me to heal now. Sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. Pero, ayan, iniisip ka nitong taon to palagi. Kuha pa tayo ng mga messages natin. Business is business. So, maaaring nagfo-focus na lang siya ngayon sa business niya. You're my strength. Tired and need rest. So, medyo pinapagod niya yung sarili niya to forget you. Letting you go, walking away. Waiting for you. You're my happy pill. Can we start again? I have multiple opportunities. So, maaring yun na lang yung inuna niya noon, mga opportunities niya. Bottom card natin, I want to marry you someday. Pero yun ang gusto niyang mangyari. Maring na-realize niya na nasa iyo yung mga qualifications na gusto niya in their partner, husband or wife. So, kuha tayo ng initials. Letter B. L. H. J. Letter E. Z. X. I. S. M. Letter O. Bottom card, letter U. So, kuha tayo ng blue card. Understanding. Courage. So, ayan, nag-iipon to ng lakas ng loob. Kasi puro stalking lang yung ginagawa niya ngayon. Nahihiya kasi siya na ineliminate ka na niya sa option. And then, ngayon lang niya napansin or na-realize yung binitawan niya pala is may diamond energy, obsession. Yun, maaaring may obsessed energy. So, tingnan natin general signs and messages natin. Practical, September, intelligent, green-minded, past person, attractive, full of charisma, very serious, neighbor, December, 5, weird, patience please, January, kind-hearted, mountain, maring soulmates pala kayo. Fantastic friend, emotional, and confirmation na it's a long distance. Kaya marahil nagbago yung isip niya kasi hindi niya kayang i-handle yung long distance relationship. Flirtatious. Kaya yun, marami pa siyang mga options, ibang kalandian niya. Future lover, trustworthy, and Mindanao. So, yan ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.